What's up, foodie? Are you tired of boring weeknight dinners? Spending hours in the kitchen only end up with something meh. Yeah, me too. That's why today we're throwing down a recipe that's going to rock your dinner game. Get ready for tender sausage meatballs with garlic butter baby potatoes and a smoky paprika sauce. We'll begin by making the base of our dish, tender sausage meatballs. For this recipe, you'll need 400 grams of Italian sausage, either mild or spicy, with the casing removed. The easiest way is to use a knife to gently scrape off the casing, just like this. In a bowl, combine the sausage and half cup of breadcrumbs. Let's add 1 egg to help bind the ingredients. Use your hand to mix the sausage mixture until well combined. No extra seasoning is necessary as the sausage is flavorful enough. Now, take approximately 2 tablespoons of the sausage mixture and form them into round balls. In a pan over medium heat, cook the meatballs, turning them occasionally until they are golden brown on all sides. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and cook for about 5 minutes or until the meat is cooked through. Then, set the meatballs aside. To prepare the potatoes with paprika butter garlic sauce, our first step is to boil 600 grams of baby potatoes. In a pot, combine the potatoes, enough water to cover, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Transfer the pot to the stove and bring the water to a boil over high heat. Cook the potatoes for about 10 minutes or until they are tender. Now you can drain the water and set it aside. To prepare the sauce, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the same pan over medium-high heat. Next, finally chop 4 cloves of garlic and add them to the pan. Stir continuously about 1 minute or until the garlic becomes fragrant. For that smoky taste, add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. If you like a bit of heat, add half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Let's add the baby potatoes to the pan and mix them with the sauce. Allow the potatoes to fry in the pan for a couple of minutes to crisp up slightly. If the pan starts to dry out, you can add a little water to prevent sticking. For a bit of earthy flavor, throw in 1 teaspoon of rosemary. To complement the paprika with a touch of sweetness and freshness, dice 1 red bell pepper and add it to the pan. Let's give this a quick stir and then we'll season it with ground black pepper. Add the cooked meatballs back to the pan, cover it, and warm them over low heat for 5 minutes. To make this dish even more special, add 1 cup of shredded cheese. Cover the pan and let the cheese melt for a minute. Turn off the heat and garnish with 1 stalk of finely chopped green onion. Now for another garnish, let's add 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley. That's it. This recipe is a definite winner. The combination of juicy meatballs, perfectly cooked potatoes, and that incredible paprika sauce is simply irresistible. And we are sure you'll be making this recipe again and again. So, what do you think about this recipe? Let us know in the comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.